My wife and I, we travel a lot. Different cities, long flights, early mornings. But there's one thing we always bring. It's not just a bag. It's something that goes with us. Handcrafted leather, real brass. Every crease tells a story. Every mark is earned. Every trip has its quiet moments, and this bag comes along for all of them. It's not about looking perfect, it's about carrying something that lasts. We carry memories. We carry stories. And this comes with us everywhere.
Les habla su capitana. Esperamos que hayan disfrutado su estancia aquí en Panamá.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome to Miami.